Introducing the most powerful ad blocker I have ever heard of via phone call. Good morning, this is Bill speaking. Yes, you installed an ad blocker on your laptop? Okay, and what's going on? No internet. Okay, we can troubleshoot that and no TV and your landline's not working. You do know that they're not. I mean, they've come through the same company and through the same internet service provider, but you're sure it's the ad blocker. You're absolutely positive it's the only thing. Have you uninstalled it? Yeah, just go into your control panel and to add and remove programs and find the ad blocker and uninstall it. And then reboot your computer, reboot your cable device, reboot your cable modem, reboot your router just to make sure, and everything should come back online. It might take a couple of hours because ad blockers do that. They kind of like sever the connection to your internet service provider, and it takes a while for it to filter back through. Yeah, give it about 6 hours. I mean, you can always call your internet service provider and see if there's an outage. But yeah, just uninstall the ad blocker and everything will come back. Uh huh. Yeah, give me a call back if you have problems here in about 6 hours. Yep. Talk to you later. Why? And then you wonder why we drink. This is Bill speaking. Well, hi. You called your internet service provider? There's an outage? I, I suspected that was the case. I did try to explain it, but you were adamant about the ad blocker. That should be up in a couple of hours? Yeah, that's about normal. Mm hmm. If you need anything else, just give me a call. Okay. Bye bye.